Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping machines built for the open road, the 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just an RV, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels designed to take you from coast to coast across America in ultimate comfort and style. If you thought road trips were simple, think again, because Prevost has redefined what luxury travel really means. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Prevost is a rolling statement of power and elegance. Its sleek, streamlined design slices through the wind with futuristic aerodynamics, while the bold LED headlight signature gives it a commanding presence on highways. The enormous panoramic windows don't just look stunning, they also bring in endless views of America's landscapes, from the Rocky Mountains to the California coastline. But what really sets this Prevost apart is the performance. Underneath its elegant body lies a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain that pushes out over 900 horsepower. That means you're not just cruising, you're gliding across the country with quiet efficiency and power. Add in active suspension and advanced stability controls, and even long journeys feel like smooth sailing. This is a machine built to conquer thousands of miles with zero compromise. Step inside, and the word luxury suddenly feels like an understatement. The living room greets you with handcrafted leather seating, real hardwood flooring, and a massive 85-inch 8K entertainment screen that drops down at the touch of a button. The entire cabin is controlled through Prevost's AI-powered smart system. Voice commands let you dim the lights, adjust the climate, or even activate the surround sound system while you kick back and relax. Moving to the kitchen, this motorhome is fitted with a chef's dream setup. Smart appliances, induction cooking, a full-size refrigerator, and hidden storage spaces for days. Everything is built seamlessly into the design, making it as functional as it is beautiful. The bathroom? Think high-end spa. You'll find heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and even smart mirrors that display weather forecasts and navigation updates as you get ready for the day. And the bedroom? This is where the Prevost really shines. A king-sized bed with memory foam, luxury linens, and yes, a panoramic glass ceiling. Imagine falling asleep under the stars in the middle of the Grand Canyon or waking up to sunrise over the Pacific Ocean. That's the kind of magic this motorhome delivers. For those who love tech, the 2026 Prevost is loaded with next-level features. We're talking augmented reality navigation, satellite internet with global coverage, and even solar panels on the roof that help power the living space off-grid. It's the perfect combination of futuristic technology and classic luxury craftsmanship. Now, of course, all this opulence comes with a serious price tag. The 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome starts at around $2.5 million, and with custom upgrades, you can easily push past $3 million. But for the ultra-wealthy who want to explore America without ever giving up comfort, this is the ultimate dream machine. So what do you think? Would you trade in first-class flights for a cross-country adventure in the Prevost? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Engine Explorer for more incredible reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles.